Braun 7 series suddenly stopped, won't charge, red light blinks.
How old is your Braun appliance?
3 years.
How long has this been going on with your Braun? What have you tried so far?
Just happened, was working fine before, tried cleaning and reset.
Is there anything else the repairman should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No. Is anyone there? Anyone there? Should I try later or give up? I guess no one is available. Please email me when you are ready.
Hi, welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be assisting you. Please give me one moment to review your question. I'm sorry you are having an issue with your Braun shaver. I own one as well. You mentioned you did a reset. The charger cable has to be unplugged for the reset to work. I'm not sure why, but it does. Try that if you hadn't already reset it that way. If that doesn't work, try plugging the cable directly into the shaver. I think the 7 series works that way. If it charges, then you know you have a bad charger. Those can be purchased online. If it still doesn't charge, you know the shaver battery is dead and needs replaced. That is most likely the situation with your razor, as the batteries tend to last 2 years or less, and you say yours is 3 years old.
Tried all that, only have wall charger.
If you receive a message asking if you'd like a phone call, you can disregard that. JustAnswer offers that extra fee premium service. But I can help you right here in this chat until your issue is resolved. Okay, then the battery needs replaced. I can give you instructions on how to do that if you'd like.
The battery on this model is not soldered in. What did you have in mind?
Okay, I know the 7526 is soldered and a couple others in the 7 series. Which model do you have? Some have batteries with pins that snap in also.
5697 type, 7893.
Yes, yours has the pins then. Some of the other Series 7 batteries have tabs that need to be soldered into the circuit board. You need Braun battery number 81,377,206. They are available at many online stores including Amazon even. Just search for the best price and delivery time for you. I do think eBay appears to have the best price though. https://www.ebay.com/p/943362909. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you, Steve.
Has battery with pins. What other problems could it be other than a dead battery? There was no warning, just stopped.
Yes, it takes the battery I gave you the eBay link to. Not charging is a sign of mostly a bad battery. The only other thing could be the wall charger, but I doubt that because that battery has 3 years on it. 3 years on a battery is pretty good.
Okay, thanks. Can you put me in touch with someone who can answer what causes too much automatic transmission creep and what to do about it?
You will have to open a new question regarding that. I'm not able to transfer customers. Just open up a new question in the automotive category.
Thanks.
You are very welcome, my friend. Let me know if you ever need anything else in the small appliance, home improvement, or plumbing categories. I'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you for allowing me to help you today. Steve.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.